My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashigburobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. And this very afternoon, I have come again to bring to you what is undiluted truth to some of you who are listening to me, because a lot of things are going wrong. A lot of things. A lot of things are going wrong. First, I would ask you to share this very program. Hit the like button and share. If you just joined this very program, hit the like button and share. When you hit the like button, share the program, other people will join. Hit the like button and share this very program so as to bring. Uh-uh. Hit the like button and share this very program, please. Uh-uh. Is our sister live? Is our daddy or Amma live? Hit the like button and share. Okay, she's not live. Hit the like button and share. Kai wee gbapụ ya ọsọ. There are a lot of things to talk about today. For a very long time, I hate normally to do live simply because there are reasons that I don't want to be showing my face. Ọkụ dị ibide, ọ dịghị ka ọ nyụrụ anyụ. Now, let us move into this very program as we go. There are things that I would want you to know. Look around you and look into what is happening. Somebody is saying that Ada is live. Ada is not live. Ewo. Is she live? Check. Let me check myself. Okay, she's live. I don't know. She's live. I cannot continue this particular live. Go and watch her after her live program. Then let us move. There are a lot to talk about, but I never knew that she's live. There are a lot to talk about. Maybe after her live program, then we can sit down and talk. But make sure you share her program and hit the like button. After her live program, we then come back to our normal program and do our normal program. A lot is happening. Thank you. Bye for now.